In this video, we are going to demonstrate how to add and edit elbows, also known as bends, within automet fab. You can add an elbow in two ways. Either right-click where you want to place the elbow in the schematic and select Add Elbow, or click the E in the bottom menu. Notice that you don't see an elbow appear. This is because we need to give the elbow a direction. To edit a fitting, double-click the icon on the schematic or the component itself. Change the direction, also known as line geometry, by selecting the three dots and then picking a grid direction. The elbow is given a standard 1.5D radius, however this can be changed. Within the Edit menu, you can select a short, long, or custom ratio. You can turn the work points on here. Here we input a 3 and 5D ratio elbow. The number refers to a multiple of the pipe diameter. You can also add a radius in millimeters. To cut back an elbow to 45 degrees, you need to change the appropriate value in the azimuth or zenith in the Edit menu. You can also edit the rectangular X, Y, and Z coordinates. You can cut an elbow to any point using the appropriate values. Here is an example of an 80-degree elbow combined with a 3D bend.